So in a lip massage for the suck and rooting reflexes, we start with the midline point of the lips, and we just gently place our fingers and thumb as so. So the fingers underneath and the thumbs on top. And what we do is we just do little rolling all the way to the edge. I would then come back here and do again a little rolling of the thumb all the way to the edge. On the bottom, it's the reverse, so your thumbs are inside and your index fingers are out. And then you're just rolling along from the midline, the middle part of the lip, to the outer edge. And repeat each one 3 times.